Welcome to Friend for the Artist and Art Piece Cycling. This is Dean, your host for this evening. Tonight I'm presenting an unboxing and a quick review of the flex shaft corded grinder, 560 watt with 1/4 inch 3-jaw chuck and a foot pedal. Goes from 500 to 25,000 RPM. It's a carving, drilling, and polishing tool. Sort of like the Foredom unit, but it's not as expensive. Yes, it is from China, but the reviews I've seen of it talked well of this product. So I'm giving it a try, and I bought it from Home Depot for less than $70. Anyways, let's get on with the review here. I went ahead and cut the cellophane tape so I wouldn't bore you with that detail to open the box. And we'll open it up right now. And there's the inside of the box. Has a label or a little pamphlet. Anyways, it shows various models in the pamphlet. Maintenance. Alright, let's start unpackaging this thing. Let's just take this motor out, see what's on that. Okay. Looks like they got everything connected here, including the shaft. Alright. Now, I quickly reviewed the little instructions, and it says not to run this with the cord bent more than a 90-degree angle. It should be hanging. And on a couple of other YouTube reviews, the sticker's coming off the couple of the reviews, they said the flex shaft was the most vulnerable part of this tool. This part. He said they've had failures with that. They've had to replace it. But they were using it very much so. But anyways, there's what it looks like coming out of the package. It's not plugged in, but it is tie cord there. That's the foot pedal. And there's what it looks like. On and off button. This is a unit from Walmart, or from Home Depot. Pull this plastic off here. Seem to have it well packaged and well protected. That's slid off. 3-jaw. I don't know if you can see that connection there. There's the where you can stick the key in to adjust it. I don't see the key yet. Okay. Now, put the motor aside here. Take the foot pedal out and package it. The pedal is a very simple design, really lightweight, very plasticky. This is where you plug the motor into. This is where you plug it into the outlet. Here, I'll just leave it in here. That's some of the tools they sent along with it. For the heck of it, I'll run one of the tools before we close this off. And here's the key. I like the design of that key. It feels solid. Feels like ABS plastic, which is a heavier plastic. Do that, it's HDPE. Alright. And this is what it does, is it fits right in there. And turns that chuck. They sent it already tight, but it turns very easily. Alright. So we have that out. And here's some more accessories they sent. Now, this is kind of what I was looking for. I normally don't show off all the accessories, but they got cut-off wheels in here and all kinds of stuff. But they also sent 2 replacement brushes for the motor, because it's not a brushless motor, it's a brush motor. Now, the reviews I have seen, they have raved about this little machine. So, we're going to see here. Alright, what I'm going to do, go ahead and connect this up. There, let me show you again. It plugs right into the foot pedal like this. Okay, I'm going to set the box down now, so that we have table space. Now I grabbed an Allen key that was in the box, and that, from what I understand, is to install take this key off right here. You may not see it very well, but you can fit the key in there to take the shaft off. Now, they didn't give any directions, and I wonder if I'm supposed to lube this thing up occasionally. I'm going to check that out and watch for it. From the reviews, they say that seems to be the problem. I think that might be part of the solution. The thing I think you have to be careful with is not to over lubricate it. If you do. Now, this fell out. Now this bit is pressed in there just like a drill press. Okay. I just put it back on, it fell off. They didn't have it in there tight enough. Okay. This here is for switching the entire tool out. Alright. So, the only thing left to do is plug her in. Let me pause this and I'll get right back to you. Alright. Tonight I'm not ready to go into full demo mode. So, I'm just going to stick an eraser in here like this. And just do a little erasing on a sketch I was messing around with. Anyways, I'm going to take it back out so you can see. What you do is you align it to that little key there, or the hole. Turn this. Loosen it up and the eraser comes right out. Now it's a 1/4 inch chuck. So you can fit up to a 1/4 inch bit in there of anything. Drills, whatever. Notice this is willing to come off. Let's protect the shaft. So keep in mind, you gotta push that on there good. Anyways, it works just like a drill press. Okay. Sliding the eraser in there. Stick the key in. Tighten it up. I don't need to tie it to... Now this is an artist eraser. And this is something I was just messing around, some old drawing I don't care about. And I'm going to just erase on here. Let me adjust the camera a little bit here. Now, this flex shaft, avoiding that 90-degree turn is going to be something else. And the other part of it is if your work surface is higher than waist level high, you're going to have to stick an extension cord in between the motor and the foot pedal. So keep that in mind, because the cord ain't long enough to reach to the ground then, and just lifts up the pedal. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and turn her on. There's slow. half speed, full speed. And that's full speed there. Sending bits of eraser here and there. I'm not too worried about those pieces, it's just rubber. Okay, but anyways, you get the idea. That's it for the unboxing and quick review of the VEVOR 560 watt. I think it's okay. This particular model does not have a reverse on it. The upgraded model, I believe, does, or the one higher speed. And I'm not sure I want that because it may be just too powerful for the uses I have planned for it. Anyways, the next model up, I believe, is a 780. This is a 560. This is Dean signing off. Thank you.